this video by picking out my colors. This is actually a throwback video because it's a pumpkin and sweet potato pie nail design that I meant to upload for the Thanksgiving holiday. Begin laying down your base colors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you don't miss any new content. The stiletto nails will be the pie nails and the nude coffin nails will be an ombre. Using an old eyeshadow palette, I created a 3-layer orange ombres. On each nail, I made the tip a little bit darker. And this is how the base looks before embellishments. Take a ball of white 3D gel and create indents in the ball to resemble a whipped cream dollop. For the crust, take some clear 3D gel and create a border at the top/cuticle of the nail. Again, create a crust-like indentations. Begin painting the crust with a nude base color, then cure. Your next layer is going to be a jelly brown color. Leave that wet and take a dark brown gel polish and add a few streaks so that it looks like it's been baked. Cure that layer and then add a matte top coat. I'm using these 3D stencils to create embossed decals for the nails. I believe I did a video on how to use these, and if so, I'll link it in the cards as well as below. But I do use a stamper to help make the decals flush with the nails. It's so much easier this way. Last but not least, especially with me, add in your crystal details, whichever way you like. I'm keeping these very delicate on the nails and just adding different fall colors to the points. And here's the final design. In the comments, let me know if you're Team Pumpkin or Team Sweet Potato.